Hey and welcome to the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. First 8 things a woman notices about a man. Want to make a good first impression on a woman? The first things a woman notices about a man are essential to know. If you've wondered how to impress women, how to impress a woman you just met, or how to make a good first impression, you are going to love this video. It's not difficult to get a girl to notice you and get a girlfriend as long as you have the right skills. Sound exciting? Let's get started. First 8 things a woman notices about a man. What's the difference between a really good man who has the girl of his dreams and a really good man who doesn't? An effective strategy. Let's talk about first impressions. We all have heard and been told that first impressions are important. And the truth is they are very, very important. Science tells us that it's only a few seconds for someone to decide if they think we are attractive or not, and if they are attracted to us. So your first impression is something you need to nail. But honestly, don't let that scare you. As long as you know the right skills, then it's not a problem at all. It's kind of like if you are trying to learn how to shoot hoops. If you just shoot one hoop and decide you're not very good at it, you're not gonna be very good at it, right? Where someone who has determined to be good at it, someone who becomes good at it, he talks to his coach and learns what strategy he needs and researches and practices, and pretty soon he's really good. So all you have to know is how to do it the right way. We're going to be going over that now. Now, these are the first 8 things a woman notices about a man in no particular order. 1. Your demeanor. So the first one we're going to go over is your demeanor. How does she perceive you? That's key. That's critical. How are you presenting yourself? If you saw a woman, even if she was gorgeous, who's frowning and didn't look approachable, and she looked kind of upset and kind of not happy to be there, would you want to approach her? Of course not, right? That would just not work. The same is true for women. If a man, through his demeanor, if he looks like he's not approachable, like he's not fun, like he's not friendly, or like he's super nervous or super grumpy, she doesn't want anything to do with him. On the flip side though, if he is very pleasant and inviting, then she wants to spend time with him. This is the power of body language, which is actually why it's something I talk about so much in my videos. You want to make sure that you are very inviting and fun to her. That is so much of what makes you attractive to her. 2. Your smile. The second thing we're going to talk about that women notice first about men is your smile. You must smile. Seriously, guys. I'm sure you've heard the saying, laughter is an instant vacation. Well, a smile is right along those lines. Here's a really good thing, like this is a huge secret, I want you to memorize this. People like people who make them feel good. So if she feels good when she's around you, she's going to want to be around you a lot more. There's so much power to a smile. Honestly, it makes her feel connected to you, it makes her feel relaxed, it makes her see you as fun and inviting. So seriously, show your teeth. Just smile big. That is huge. 3. Hygiene. The third thing we're going to talk about is hygiene. Guys, this matters so much to women. Make sure you look tidy and put together and that you smell good. If a guy looks like he just doesn't care, well then she's just not going to go there. She's just not. But if instead he smells awesome and he's tidy and well put together, that right there impresses women. That makes sense though, right? You certainly wouldn't want to hang out with a woman who doesn't do that either. It's just something as humans we are attracted to. 4. How you are dressed. The fourth thing that women notice first about men is how you are dressed. Now there are 2 reasons for this. 1. If you dress super hot, you look super hot and she likes that, and that will attract her. The other reason though is that it shows how you feel about yourself. If you don't have self-respect, you're not going to take care of yourself. However, if you have self-respect, you're going to treat yourself like you matter and you're going to dress like you matter. That is incredibly attractive. She is going to be attracted to you because, holy cow, you're super cute. But you also will feel amazing as you dress amazingly. It increases your confidence, your self-respect, and it turns you into a human magnet for your dream girl. A quick question. I have a quick question before we keep going. Would you like more videos on first impressions? If you would, be sure to comment yes in the comments below. And I wanted to ask also, would you like to know what it is women want most in a man? Because, huge spoiler, honestly there are so many lies about what women want in a man. So be sure to subscribe to Social Psychology Matters YouTube channel right now. 5. Your conversation. The fifth thing that women notice first about men is your conversation. Are you easy to carry on a conversation with, or does she feel awkward? When we don't know what to say, we start to feel more and more awkward. We come across as awkward, and what happens is it makes the other person feel awkward too. And as I mentioned earlier, people like people who make them feel good. So if she feels awkward, she's not feeling good, she's feeling awkward. This is why it's so important to make sure you are comfortable with conversation and you know how to do it in a way that's going to engage her and make her feel good when she's around you. 6. How you treat people. Number 6 is how you treat people. Her and everybody else. A quick story to illustrate this. This happened a long time ago. But I was in a restaurant and I was standing in line getting ready to order some food, and a guy came in behind me. And I kind of snuck a glance, and he was very attractive. But as he got up to the counter and started ordering, he was so unkind to the people who were serving him that instantly all attraction died. Like totally. Like I kind of wanted to stand up for the employees and chew him out because he was just so rude. On the other hand, I've been in many other situations where there have been these guys who have just been so nice to strangers and me, and instantly the attraction grew dramatically. So the way you treat people, showing her that you are a nice guy who is also assertive, that right there is so attractive. And she's going to pick up on that even if she's only seen you for a few seconds, just like I did. So it's very important to just treat people with kindness and respect. A guy who treats people with kindness and treats his girl with kindness is what makes a woman fall totally in love. 7. Eye contact. Now if you saw this video, then this will probably sound familiar to you. The 7th thing women notice first about men is eye contact. If you avoid eye contact with her, or if you're super nervous about eye contact with her, that is going to make you appear less confident, and it's going to make her feel like she kind of can't trust you. If instead, you make eye contact comfortably, then that is going to make her feel like she can trust you more. It's gonna make her feel connected to you, it's gonna make her feel like she matters to you, and it's going to show confidence, which is always a good thing to show. Now you don't want to stare her down because that's super awkward. But keep comfortable eye contact with her. 8. Confidence. And we are to number 8, which if I could only teach you one thing, it would be this one. Number 8 is confidence. A confident person is what I like to call attractive by default. As humans, we are drawn to confident people. We honestly all want to be with someone confident. If you came to me and said, "What is the one thing I could do that would get me the girl of my dreams the fastest and the easiest?" I would walk you through how to become a confident person. This is actually why I spend so much time teaching my subscribers this on my channel. Seriously, a confident man is irresistible. Know a friend who would enjoy this video? Be sure to share. Do you have any other questions about women or dating? Leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.